He sings. He solves riddles.
Hey, chicken!
He has the coolest toys. Do you know who he is? It's your best friend, Al.
Howdy, everyone!
Get ready for loads and loads of fun playtime. Playtime with Al. Weekdays and Sundays, only on BabyFirst. Take some yellow and mix it with blue. What color do you get? Green. Now take some red and mix it with yellow. What do you get? Orange. Finally, take all colors and mix them with great adventures and wonderful songs.
The big red reindeer knows.
Now what do you get? Color Crew. Join the colorful gang and their best friends, Pencil and Eraser, as they spread the joy of colors. Your baby will be tickled pink. Color Crew, only on BabyFirst.
La 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 la. Look about. Come on, guys, let's all shout.
Warm, cold.
Cold, warm, trying to find the acorn. Yeah! Look around.